Hello children. As you all know that a computer is a collection of various parts that work together. This is why it is also referred as computer system. Now hardware and software are the two basic parts of a computer with the help of which a computer works. We have discussed about the keyboard. The next topic is mouse. A mouse is an input device used with computer. It is used to point or select an object on a computer screen. It has two buttons, left button, right button. It has a scroll wheel in the middle. Pressing the left button once is single click, and when you double press the left button, it is known as double click. Means you press it twice, it will be double click. When you press the right button, it is known as right click. So items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons. Next comes monitor. A monitor is an output device that has a screen. It displays everything we do on a computer, like typing words, numbers, making pictures, tables, charts. Everything can be displayed. There are three types of monitors: CRT monitor, LCD monitor, LED monitor. So, what is CRT monitor? CRT monitor is cathode ray tube monitor. As you can see the picture, it is big in size, it is very heavy, and it occupies lots of space. These type of monitors were used before. It looks like a TV screen, and it is a little bit bigger. It uses more electricity, occupies more space, but these type of monitors are rarely used nowadays. Next, LCD monitor. So LCD full form is liquid crystal display. It is not very big in size, not very heavy, and occupies less space. The picture quality is clearer than CRT monitor. So new technology has been used to make LCD monitors, and they are less weight, they are uh, they occupy less space and less electricity. It is much uh, better than CRT monitors. Next is LED monitor. LED full form is light emitting diode monitor. It is not very big in size. It is also like LCD monitors. It is not very heavy. It occupies less space. Picture quality is more clearer than CRT and LCD monitors. So these type of monitors, LED monitors, are much better than LCD and CRT monitors. To begin with, the next topic is CPU. You all know that CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This is a CPU. It is the main part of a computer. It is the brain of the computer. All processing are done here, and so it is also known as system unit. So CPU is the brain of the computer. Next, if you open the box of CPU, if you open it, you can see there are a number of things inside it. These things together make the CPU. There is a motherboard. All other parts of CPU are connected to the motherboard. Suppose RAM, it is connected to motherboard. Then processor, it is connected to motherboard, and then it is inserted in the CPU. All other parts of CPU are connected to the motherboard. SMPS is switched mode power supply. It supplies power to the computer. It is also somewhere here and it supplies power from outside uh, power. It is connected to this board. Hard disk drive. It stores data permanently inside a computer. Hard disk is also in this board and it is fixed over here inside the CPU and it stores data permanently inside a computer. RAM. Its full form is Random Access Memory. It stores data temporarily inside a computer. So RAM will store data temporarily. Processor, the actual processing device of a computer. It is the processor where all the processing is done. Now, what are the processing? This is in the processor. It consists of three parts. Main parts of the processor are ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. This is a processor. ALU, it carries out all mathematical and logical operations. Next comes CU, that is Control Unit. It controls the transfer of information from one part of the processor to the other. It transfers from one part of the processor to the other part through CU, Control Unit. And MU, it stores data in a computer. Now, another hardware device is printer. A printer is an output device. We use it to take printouts of our work on a paper. The printout is also called a hard copy. So whatever we do, and if we want to take out the printout, we use a printer which gives a copy of the data that is visible on the monitor and we get it on a sheet of paper. This is also known as printout or the hard copy. Next comes modem. Modem is just like it is a thing that is used to access the internet. Now, we often hear that we send emails or we capture some images and send it to our friends, relatives. So, it is the modem which can access the internet through this device, that is the modem. A modem is the gateway to explore the internet. So, it makes our telecommunication possible. So modem connects one computer to the other computers through the internet and exchange information over telephone lines. Through this we can send all our mails or our videos, whatever is there, we can send it to our friends and relatives. Now next comes the storage devices. You can see CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read Only Memory. It is a storage device which stores information outside a computer. So CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only memory. It is a storage device of a computer. It stores information outside the computer. We can store a large amount of information in one CD-ROM. We can yeah, it is used to store text, files, pictures, videos, audios, everything can be stored in CD-ROM. Next, this is a very common storage device, that is pen drive. A pen drive is also a storage device. It's a small storage device. It is mainly used to transfer data from one computer to another. It is very easy to use because it can be carried around in our pockets. We can carry it, and it is a very common storage device. It can be used to transfer data from one computer to another. So this was all about some of the parts of a computer. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you, and we'll come soon with the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.